Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can schedule a call on WhatsApp. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open the WhatsApp application, tap on the call logs here, then tap on the plus sign on the call. So once you tap on it, here you will find the option schedule call. All you need to do is to tap on it. Here you can change the date, you can select the date and the time as well. Then you can select the end time as well. But if you want to remove the end time, you can tap on this option and the end time will be removed. Then there is call type. If you want to tap on it, so it will show you two options. It can be a voice call or a video call as well. So once you select the call type, all you need to do is to tap on this arrow at the bottom. And then you need to select the person or the group that you want to schedule a call with. Suppose in this case, I will select this contact and then tap on the arrow at the bottom. So here, as you can see, now I have scheduled the call. And if I go back to the call logs, here you will find the upcoming calls right at the top. So guys, this is how you can schedule a call on WhatsApp. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.